proverb that time is money because it is considered because as we all know that times one lost is lost forever, and as we all know that lost money can be earned back, and but lost time we can't regain it. That is why it is also known as money, because if you have money so you can buy all the things with the help of money, but if we talk about the time, so we can't buy time, because time is only that thing that if you will invest in good thing, so it will definitely give us good result, because every big success or every big we can say every big success needs a time, and without time we are nothing. And as proverb said that time is money, as I already said that buy we can't buy time from money, but definitely if we will invest our time in good things, so definitely we can earn by investing our time money. So that is why it is known as time is money.
There is a saying that is time is money. So today I am sitting here to tell you about that, to prove that this saying time is money, because time is more precious than money. If we have time, so we can earn money, but if we have money, so we can't earn the time. And if we will use time in a good thing, so obviously we have money, and time is more important than money. If we will not use the time, so our money will waste, and time will also waste. We can earn money again, but time cannot come again.
That time is money because it is proven because time is very precious and it can't be purchased by money. If it once lost, we can't gain it by money. Uh, so we should value time because time can't be, we can even not buy time.
A single second.
We cannot buy a single second with by time. So thank you.
By money.
So in my opinion, there is a saying that time is money. Today I am here to prove it that time is money, because time is very precious, and we can't earn it, we can't gain it, and the lost time lost forever, and time is very precious than money, because we can't buy a single second by money, and if we use our time in a good thing, so we can earn money, and we should not waste our time.
So well, there is a saying time is money. Because time is very precious thing in our life. If we waste time, so we cannot succeed in our life. And if we give time in good things, so we can succeed in our life and score good marks, and we can achieve good opportunities. We can achieve good opportunities in every field.
This is saying that time is money because time not come again.
Time doesn't come again.
Time doesn't come again. We know what is value of time. So we are success in our life. Time is the equal of money, because time waste. So we are not come to again. Saying time is money. So today I am proving this
Proverb.
this time is money. So time is very precious for us, and time never stops for everyone.
Anyone.
Like, there is a picnic from your school. You not go to this picnic, after some time you regret why I not go to picnic. There are my friends. I enjoy with them. So we should waste our time.